Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Darla, Louisa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, let's get into my video. Pew! So guys, for today's video, we're going to make a makeup tutorial, and I name it it's so if you can read the title of this video is school makeup tutorial, because I see a lot of girls in my school wearing this makeup, and why not teach it so why not teach it to you guys. So let's get started. So guys, first we're going to put some BB Holy Cream. This is BB Holy Cream in our face. You can see I have a lot of pimples on my face, but it will get covered by the BB Holy Cream. Then after putting the we can spread it all over our face like that. Spread it all over our face. I don't have brush, or what do you call that? I don't have blender, so I just going to use my hands. Okay, in my eyes. Where is some? In my eyes. Oh, good some under my eyes. A little bit of that in my under my eyes. Okay. So wait, after it's already dries out, we can now put our baby powder. This is my baby powder pouch, as you can see. So I'm going to put the baby powder all over our face. Already finished putting some baby powder on our face, so we can go to our eyebrows now. So going to use this for eyebrows. Okay. Our eyebrows are done, and we can put on a little bit of mascara in our face. This is my mascara in my face. Mascara, and it's done. We can now put a little bit of mascara in our eyelashes. Ouch! And we can also blend our eyebrows with the mascara to make it show. Let's brush. I don't have brush for like that because I saw this one because I saw this hat my friend. I saw her putting on some mascara at her eyebrows. So it's funny. So it's no more mascara. More don't have eyelashes. Don't have false eyelashes, so this is and next I'm going to put some lip tint now in our cheek. This is my lip tint, guys. Just a little bit of lip tints because this is a little bit lip tint in here. There, there, and just a little bit of lip tint in our nose. This is the okay, and blend it now with our hand. Blend it with our hand. Just a little bit of it. Just put it a little bit. We can put more. Just put more here. But just a little bit more. Just a little bit more here. Cheek in our cheek. Just a little bit more in our cheek, guys. Go there. Down. Wait. Right. Then we're going to put the tint with the same product. Going to put it just a little bit in our lips. Just very small amount. Just put very small amount. Wait. Just a little bit. Don't put too much. Just a little bit. Don't. Guys, just tip. Don't put too much lip tint in your lips because I don't know. Just okay. It's not ang tawag ano English ng pantay. Didn't know. So blend it with our fingers. Blend it with our fingers. Just put a little on the top. Mama. Okay, wait until it dries up. Wait until it dries. When the lip tint is dry, we can now put some lip gloss to make it glossy. Just a little here. I get a little here. Oh, it's glossy now. A little bit more. This one. Make my nose glossy as well. So, wants to shine you like other. I don't do so. This is not a finish. Already done. Nice. It's already done. This is the finish. This is my school makeup tutorial because this is it. My mom. And I hope guys you learn something new about this to my channel, and see you guys very soon, and thank you for watching. And if you want to suggest new video, um and let's see, comment down below your video suggestion or what did you learn about for today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.